In their presence, there's no need for continuous conversation, but you find you're quite content in just having them nearby. Things that never interested you before become fascinating because you know they are important to this person who is so special to you. You think of this person on every occasion and in everything you do.
Today we have come together to witness the joining of these two lives. For them, out of the routine of ordinary life, the extraordinary has happened.
Don't think I've ever seen your kind of pretty, wandering around this midnight madhouse city. You got a look that says you got it all together. So if you don't mind, I'd like to know you better.
In this ceremony, we will witness the joining of Emily and Toby in marriage. As the ceremony proceeds, we would like to invite family and friends to take part in the warming of the ring.
I want the secrets you keep.
I will laugh with you and cry with you.
I'll laugh with you and cry with you.
I will love you faithfully.
I will love you faithfully.
The best in the worst. Toby, for your family and friends, you take Emily as your beloved wife, having to hold laughter and in sadness, challenges and successes, as long as you both shall live. With this ring, as a symbol of our everlasting love.
The harvest in October, and when the leaves fall
Let it never lose its luster. Just as my love for you will never fade. I, Emily, present you, Toby,
Present you, Toby,
with this ring as a symbol
with this ring as a symbol
of our everlasting love.
of our everlasting love.
Let it never lose its luster.
Let it never lose its luster.
Just as my love for you will never fade.
Just as my love for you will never fade.
I didn't think that now when I walked in, I'd be falling for somewhere I've never been. Take me the long way around your town. Were you the queen with the silver crown? I want your red blushing stories, your farts and your glories that made you who you are right now. Take me the long way around. Oh, take me the long way around.
Me and Emily's goal for this whole wedding was just to have a party.
I'm at a party I don't wanna be at, and I don't ever wear a suit and tie yet. Wondering if I can sneak out the back. Nobody's even looking me in my eyes. Then you take my hand, finish my drink, say shall we dance? Hell yeah. You know I love you, did I ever tell you? You make it better like that. Don't think I fit in at this party. Everyone's got so much to say. Yeah, I always feel like I'm nobody. Who wants to fit in anyway? 'Cause I don't care when I'm with my baby, yeah. All the bad things disappear. You're making me feel that maybe I am somebody. I can deal with the bad nights when I'm with my baby, yeah. 'Cause I don't care as long as you just hold me near. You can take me anywhere. You're making me feel like I'm loved by somebody. I can deal with the bad nights when I'm with my baby, yeah. We at a party we don't wanna be at. Trying to talk but we can't hear ourselves. Picture speechless, I'd rather kiss them right back. But all these people all around, I'm crippled with anxiety. But I'm told it's where I'm supposed to be. You know what? It's kinda crazy cause I really don't mind. Can you make it better like that? Don't think we fit in at this party. Everyone's got so much to say. Oh yeah, yeah. When we walked in I said I'm sorry. But now I think that we should stay. Cause I don't care when I'm with my baby, yeah. All the bad things disappear. You're making me feel like maybe I am somebody. I can deal with the bad nights when I'm with my baby, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Cause I don't care as long as you just hold me near. You can take me anywhere. You're making me feel like I'm loved by somebody. I can deal with the bad nights when I'm with my baby, yeah. Nobody but you, it's like you're the only one here. I don't like nobody but you, baby. I don't care. I don't like nobody but you. I hate everyone here. I don't like nobody but you, baby. Yeah, cause I don't care